are a friend of the channel, you know that I just received as a birthday present an Insta 360 Go 2, and I got so in love with it. I did a video with a lot of ideas for you to place your Go 2 near Brompton. And for my surprise, Insta 360 loved it and sent me an email telling me that they love the work and asking me, do you have a bike bundle? No, I don't have a bike bundle. So they said, I'm gonna send it to you. I said, really? Wow, that was good. I love it. So today's video, it's about this here. I don't know what is it yet. We're gonna open it and find out all the places that I can put my Go-To in to film it. Oh, I love this. I love this. It's so cool. Wait. Aren't you a friend of the channel yet? How come? Subscribe and hit the little bell. The little bell. Yes, this little bell tells you when the video is out, because usually I'll post it on Saturday, but sometimes, you know, like things like this happen, I'll post it earlier. So let's open it. Okay, so I placed my Go-To here so I can film opening this. Gonna be neat. That's neat. Wow. It calls bike bundle. Look at it. So this is a bike bundle. Oh, that's cute. That's neat. Look at it. You have the wrap, you have the hat, and this one I'm gonna use a lot. So cool. When I went to Camino de Santiago, I had a lot of problems because I want to put it higher, the camera, to film it, and everything was so hard to do it. This is neat. This is fantastic because so well made, and you can attach so many places, and that's how you put it here. So you put it in your bike, and this goes on top, so you get a higher view. That's something I always miss. Let me open the other one. This is a big selfie. Look. It's huge. This is a big one. Be nice shots in it. I like it. Wow, this is such a great bundle. And to get the most from my new bike bundle, I'm using a little tripod, a little tripod adapter, and a action mounting that I have to use in my surfboard, but I'm gonna use for my bicycle. And let me show you how it works. Very easy. You just open here and place your Go-To. Start filming, and it doesn't feel, you know, it's action, you know, it really does not feel. It's perfect for action cam. And that's the other system. So cool. Has a little thing here that you move it around, you know, you turn it. So easy to film yourself or film in front of you. Like it. Let's try it. Let's try it. My kid. Sorry. are the first considerations about the Insta 360 bike bundle. First of all, thank you Insta 360 for sending me this bike bundle, and I could try it and share with you guys my experience. I didn't use the chest strap because I think this pendant is marvelous. You know, we use the Brompton usually in the streets, you know, in the city, so not many bumpy roads. So this here is fine, and sometimes I put it here. Perfect. No need of the chest strap. But if you're riding off-road in a mountain bike, the chest strap is perfect. This is the one that you needed. Now for the handlebar mount. This is so well made. I'm impressed. I had several handlebar mounts, but this one's by far the better. And what I love most is this little thing here. When you press down, you move it around. So you can film yourself, you can film the bicycle, you can film everything. It's so much easier. Feel the need to use, and I'm gonna show you why. Because when we use it like this, you can fold your Brompton. It doesn't have to take it out. This handlebar mount will live here. I don't have to take it out. Is that cool? Let me show you. Well, I gotta confess, one thing that I used most was the self-stick, because it gets so huge and so easy to use. You can use with the case, with the little attachment, so I really love it. It's huge. Look, it's here. It's almost my size. Well, hope you like this video. It's just a video sharing with you my experience about the Insta 360 bike bundle. I love it. It's very, very nice, especially the material. The material is so well made. Congrats. See ya. Hope you like it.